Hi, this is Agnes and you're watching ALS TV Eskwela. And for today's topic for our Learning Strand 3, Mathematical and Problem Solving, let us learn a learning activity sheet titled Addition and Subtraction of Integers. With the learning competency, add and subtract positive and negative integers, followed by multiplication and division of integers. Learners, are you ready? School learning level, junior high school. But before we will start, let's review first the number line. Number line is a graph of real numbers. And let us also classify real numbers and absolute value. We deal with numbers when we shop and when we transact business. The lower value. Is it correct? Good job. Negative 10 and past negative 1. Good job. You've got 3. Johnny would like to get a coconut fruit from that tree. He should be able to solve the sum of the given integers, climb the blocks, and use the ladder to get the fruit. Step 1. Get the absolute values on the given numbers. Absolute value of the number is illustrated like this. Positive 3 is equal to 3, or positive 3 equals 3. Likewise, the absolute value of positive 4 can be illustrated as positive 4 equals to 4 or positive 4 equals 4. In other words, absolute value is the value of number without considering its sign being positive or negative. So if Johnny will get absolute values of positive 3 and positive 4, he will get 3 and 4 without any sign. We have already done step 1. Johnny can now move to the next block using the ladder. Click the ladder to extend it to the next block. Now let's continue. Step 2. Add the absolute values. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Johnny can now move to the next block using this ladder. Click the ladder to extend it to the next block. Step 3. Put the common sign which is positive to the answer. 3 plus 4 equals positive 7. Now let's continue. Thank you for helping Johnny. The sum of positive 3 and positive 4 is positive 7. Now let's try another example. This time, let's try negative integers, like negative 8 plus negative 4. Jerry would like also to pick a coconut fruit. Please help him just follow the step we used when Johnny picked this coconut fruit. Step 1. Get the absolute values of the given numbers. The absolute value of negative 8 is 8. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Click on the ladder to continue. Let's click. Step 2. Add the absolute values. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Now click the ladder. Step 3. Put the common sign which is negative sign. Why is it negative 12? Because it is negative 8 plus negative 4. So they have the same sign, negative 12. Continue. Thank you for helping Jerry. This is Ella. Johnny and Jerry give her the coconut fruit they picked. One of the coconut has negative 12 markings on it, while the other is positive 7. Can we add these integers even though they have different signs? The answer is yes. In adding integers of different sign, we just follow the following procedure. Get the absolute values of the given. Find the difference of their absolute values. But before the difference, the sign of the given with higher absolute value. So the answer is negative 5 is the sum of negative 12 and positive 7 because negative 12 is the higher or the greater value. Now let's try this. Help Jerry and Johnny add the positive and negative integers written on the coconut fruit. Write your answer in the box between the two coconut trees. Find the sum of the following coconut fruits. Write your answer in the box between the two coconut trees. So negative 10, negative 9, what is the answer? Negative 19. Good. Positive 28 to negative 21, what's your answer? Is it negative or positive 7? Is it correct? Positive 7, very good. Negative or positive 7 and positive 9, what's your answer? Is it positive or negative 1? Oh, negative. Positive 13. The answer is positive 13. Is it correct? Positive 7 plus positive 19. Is it 16? Very good. Negative 2 and positive 9. What's your answer? You have to find the difference. 6, positive 6. Is it correct? No, it's positive 7. Negative 8 and positive 2. Answer is 2. Negative 72 and positive 72. 0. Good job. Negative 8 to negative 5, what's your answer? Positive 1 or negative 13? Good job. It's negative 13. You've got 7. Now, let's take some time to go with Joshua for fishing in the lake. Here we can encounter fish in different colors. Also, we will learn the process of subtracting integers. Let's look at the rules. In subtracting integers, we follow this rule. Change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed as in addition of integers as you have learned earlier. Let us take this example, positive 8 minus negative 5. Step 1. Change the sign of the subtrahend. In this example, the subtrahend is negative 5, so we change its sign from negative to positive 5. Step 2. Proceed as in addition. So, mahimo na siyang positive 8 to positive 5 equals positive 13. Don't forget the rules. Let's try another example. Negative 9 minus negative 4. Change the sign of the subtrahend. In this example, the subtrahend is negative 4, so we change its sign from negative to positive 4. Proceed as in addition. So, negative 9 plus positive 4. Since nga different ang ilahang sign, we have to find the difference. So, negative minus positive 4. Since nga ang negative 9 is the greater value, so the answer will be negative. The answer is negative 5. Next. Let's try to solve for the difference of the integers by catching some fish in the lake. Using the mouse, grab the fish which carries the difference of the given integers into the container, like the demo. 4 minus negative 9. Remember, you have to change the subtrahend from negative to positive. So, mahimo na siyang positive 9. So, what's the answer? Positive minus negative positive 9. That is positive 13. Very good. 3 minus 7. You have to change the subtrahend. So, what's your answer? Is it negative 4? Good job. Positive 9 minus negative 6. What's your answer? Change the subtrahend from negative to positive. So, mahimo siyang, what's the answer? Positive 15. Good job. 35 minus negative 8. Remember the procedure, you have to change the subtrahend. Mahimo siyang positive 8. So, 35 plus positive 8 equals, is it positive 43 or negative 43? Positive 43. Good job. Negative 4 minus positive 5. Change the 5 to negative 5. So, negative minus negative equals positive 9. Is it correct? No, it's negative 9. Negative 49 minus positive 3. You have to change negative 3 to positive 3. So, the answer will be negative 46. Good job. Negative 9 minus negative 4. Change the negative 4 to positive 4. So, anong mangyari? Negative 4. Good job. 9 minus 8. So, 8 to negative 8 equals positive 9. Good job. 7 minus 12. You have to change 12 to negative 12. Then, subtract. It is negative 5. Good job. 8 minus 9. So, 9 will become negative 9. And the answer is negative 1. Good job. You've got 9 out of 10. Now, let us find some treasure by adding and subtracting the given integers. Click and drag the marble of your answer on the bag and click OK. Every correct answer will lead you to the location of the treasure. 4 plus negative 3 equals positive 1. Is it correct? Good job. Negative 10 minus positive 5? Is it negative 15 or negative 3 or negative 15? Negative 15. Good job. Negative 10 plus positive 2. Is it negative 8? Good job. 37 minus positive 30. What's your answer? Is it positive or negative 7? Positive 7. Good job. Negative 80 plus 60 equals negative 20. Very good. 8 minus negative 17. So you have to change negative 17 to positive. It becomes positive 25. Very good. Negative 24 minus negative 12. It's negative 12. Very good. 7 plus negative 14. Change 14. Or what's the difference? Negative 7. Is it correct? Good job. 9 minus 12. You have to change 12 to negative. Very good. It's negative 3. 35 minus 20. It's 15. Good job. You have 10 or you've got 10. Perfect score. Now let's proceed to multiplication and division of integers. To do multiplication and division of sign numbers, we must follow these rules. In multiplication, number 1, the product of two numbers with the same sign is positive. Multiplication, number 2, the product of two numbers with different sign is negative. In division, number 1 rule, the quotient of two numbers with the same sign is positive. Number 2 rules, the quotient of two numbers with different sign is negative. Next. Remember this, that the same sign, positive product or quotient. Different sign, negative product or quotient. Next. Let's try this. Select the turtle with the correct and click OK. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 equals, positive 12 divided by negative 4 equals negative 3. Good job. Positive 6 times positive 5 equals positive 30. Is it correct? Correct. Negative 4 times negative 9. So what's your answer? Is it negative 36 or positive 36? The answer is positive 36. Good job. Let's try more example of multiplication and division of integers. In this time, you have to type your answer in the box inside the flower pot. If your answer is correct, a beautiful flower will bloom. If your answer is wrong, the plant will die or dry up. Click OK if you're already choose your answer. 45 divided by 15. Is it 3? Good job. Negative 4 times positive 7. What's your answer? Negative 28. Is it correct? Very good. 9 times 3. Is it positive 27? Good job. Negative 78 divided by negative 2. What's your answer? Negative 78 divided by negative 2 equals positive 39. Good job. Negative 5 times negative 3. Is it positive 15? Correct. Negative 4 times positive 9. Is it negative what? What's your answer? Negative 36. Is it correct? Good job. 125 or negative 125 divided by 25. Is it negative 5? Good job. Positive 80 times negative 2. Is it negative 40? Good job. 510 divided by 10. What's your answer? Is it positive 51? Correct. Negative 8 times negative 5 equals negative or positive? Positive 40. Very good. If you encounter some difficulties in answering this module, do not hesitate to call your teacher. Basta sa ALS TV Eskwela, kaugmawan mo, kaugmawan ko. This is Teacher Agnes saying God bless and aim high, sinakaban.